Music has the power to bring people together, touch heart, and create beautiful memories.
Up next, our talented students from class 4 and 5 are ready to present a melodious Hindi song that will surely fill this room with joy and harmony.
Their soulful voices and passion for music will make this performance a delightful treat for all of us.
So let's put hands together and give a warm welcome to our class 4 and 5 students as they take the stage to share their beautiful song with us. Let's cheer for them.
Participants are Deep, Somitra, Aditra, Kakoli, Subodip, Somjit, Supriti, Madhusri, Rajdeep, Anupam, Kollan, Somjit, Devasri, Biswajit.
সোমনাথ সামন্ত বাবু আপনি একবার স্টেজে আসবেন।